This is question 6, have a go. Okay, so for part A we've been asked to sketch the curve. We are taking 5 off all the y values, so the y values, remember that's the up or down values, are being reduced by 5, so basically everything comes down by 5. So our asymptote, which was on the x-axis, is now at y equals minus 5. The other asymptote remains the same, so our curve goes like this. We do need to know where it crosses the x-axis, because we've been asked to name all the places it crosses the axes. So it crosses the x-axis where y is 0. So where y is 0, substituting 0 in for y, we get 0 equals 2 over x minus 5. Rearrange. I've just then flipped it over. So at that point I've just reversed top both sides. So it's 1 over 5 equals x over 2. So x equals 2/5. So that's where that value has come from. And then we've also got to pop in the line y equals 4x plus 2. So that crosses the axes at 2. Remember, that's for y equals mx plus c. That's the intercept on the y-axis. Now for part B, write down the equation of the asymptotes. Well, that's as I've just explained. For part C, we've got to solve the simultaneous equation where they equal each other. So 2 over x minus 5 equals 4x plus 2. Best to undo this fact that we were really on 2 levels here. So undo this dividing by x, multiply through by x, rearrange to create a quadratic equation, and then factorize this quadratic equation to give you 4x minus 1 in one bracket and x plus 2 in the other. So our x values are a quarter, because that makes this first bracket 0, and minus 2 making this second bracket 0. And then we've got the y values by substituting in by the simpler of the two, which is the y equals 4x plus 2. So I've substituted in a quarter and minus 2 into this to get 3 and minus 6. So they are our answers, they're our coordinates.